Have you ever felt a strange tingling in your hands or feet, like a mild electric buzz in your fingers, or a numbness in your toes that just won't go away? You're not alone. Millions of seniors, especially over 60, experience tingling, numbness, or that pins and needles sensation in their limbs. And while it may seem like just another sign of aging, the truth is, it's often a warning signal. A message from your body that something deeper is out of balance. The good news? There are natural, affordable ways to fight back, and they may already be in your kitchen cabinet. In this video, we reveal 8 powerful seeds that can help relieve tingling, boost blood flow, nourish nerves, and support healthy aging, backed by science. So whether it's peripheral neuropathy, poor circulation, or nerve inflammation causing your discomfort, these seeds might be your secret weapon to feeling young, vibrant, and in control again. Grab a notepad and stay with us until the end, because number 6 and number 2 are especially underrated. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. Now you may wonder, why do my hands and feet tingle? Let's quickly understand what's going on inside your body. Tingling, also called paresthesia, can come from nerve damage or compression, often linked to diabetes, B12 deficiency, or injuries. Poor blood circulation, when blood isn't reaching the tiny vessels in your hands or feet. Inflammation or swelling around nerves. And nutritional deficiencies, like low magnesium, vitamin E, or omega-3s. And here's the kicker. Many of these causes are nutrition-related. That's why the right foods, especially nutrient-dense seeds, can make a huge difference. Let's explore the top 8 seeds that seniors should eat to say goodbye to tingling. Number 1. Flax seeds, your omega-3 powerhouse. Tiny but mighty, flax seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, YLA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Why does this matter? Omega-3s reduce nerve inflammation, improve blood flow, and support the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves. A 2019 study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that higher intake of ALA-rich foods like flax seeds was linked to improved nerve function in older adults. How to use? Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Always grind them fresh to absorb the nutrients. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds, magnesium magic. Did you know magnesium deficiency is one of the top reasons for muscle cramps, nerve tingling, and restlessness? Enter pumpkin seeds, one of the richest natural sources of magnesium. They also contain zinc and antioxidants that protect your nerves from oxidative stress, a known cause of neuropathy. In a study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, older adults with higher magnesium intake had significantly lower risk of nerve dysfunction and muscle pain. Daily tip: eat a handful of unsalted pumpkin seeds daily, or blend them into soups and sauces. Number 3. Sunflower seeds, vitamin E superstars. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that's essential for nerve health and circulation. And sunflower seeds are one of the best natural sources. According to a 2020 study in Nutrients, vitamin E protects nerve membranes from damage and slows progression in peripheral neuropathy, especially in seniors with diabetes or prediabetes. Just a quarter cup of sunflower seeds gives you over 80% of your daily vitamin E needs. Sprinkle them over salads or mix into trail mix. Number 4. Chia seeds, anti-inflammatory warriors. If your tingling is caused by inflammation, especially from autoimmune conditions or diabetes, chia seeds can help calm things down. These tiny black seeds are rich in omega-3s, like flax, fiber to regulate blood sugar, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. They absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, helping hydrate and cushion tissues, ideal for joint and nerve comfort. But here's where it gets even better. A 2018 study published in the journal Nutrients found that ALA from chia seeds significantly reduced inflammation markers in older adults, particularly C-reactive protein, CRP, a known contributor to nerve irritation and chronic pain. How to enjoy: stir into water, almond milk, or yogurt. Make overnight chia pudding with berries and honey. Number 5. Sesame seeds, nerve strengtheners. Often overlooked, sesame seeds are loaded with copper, zinc, and vitamin B1, 3 nutrients essential for nerve signal transmission, myelin protection, energy metabolism in nerve cells. In Ayurvedic medicine, sesame oil is also used topically to relieve nerve pain and numbness. But what does science say? A 2020 study published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity found that sesame seed oil significantly improved nerve conduction and reduced oxidative stress in diabetic rats with peripheral neuropathy. The researchers attributed this effect to the antioxidant lignans and the rich presence of vitamin E, B1, and unsaturated fats found in sesame. Daily dose: toast sesame seeds lightly and sprinkle over steamed veggies or mix into tahini dressings. Number 6. Hemp seeds, brain and nerve fuel. These soft, nutty seeds are perfect for seniors. Rich in complete protein, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, a gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, known for reducing nerve inflammation. Hemp seeds are also high in arginine, an amino acid that improves circulation and blood vessel flexibility, great for preventing nerve compression and numbness. Pro tip: blend into smoothies, stir into oatmeal, or eat 2 tablespoons straight. Number 7. Poppy seeds, calcium and trace minerals. While usually seen in baking, poppy seeds offer a surprising health benefit for tingling relief. They contain calcium and phosphorus for nerve muscle coordination, iron for better oxygen transport to nerve endings, manganese, vital for enzyme functions that protect nerves. When consumed regularly, they help strengthen nerve communication and prevent dead or numb sensations in the feet and fingers. Use idea: add to whole grain bread, sprinkle on yogurt, or use in lemon poppy seed muffins with natural ingredients. Number 8. Nigella seeds, black seeds, the ancient healer. Also known as black cumin seeds, these tiny miracles have been used for over 2,000 years for healing inflammation and chronic pain. Recent studies show that thymoquinone, the active compound in black seeds, has strong anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. A 2022 review in Phytotherapy Research found that Nigella seeds helped improve symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, reduced tingling, and protected nerve structure in lab and human studies. How to use: add half a teaspoon of black seed powder to warm tea, smoothies, or yogurt. You can also buy black seed oil and use it in small doses. Consult your doctor if you're on medication. Now you don't need to eat all 8 every single day, but consistency is key. Here's a simple 3-step guide. 1. Rotate seeds daily. Example: Monday, chia and sunflower. Tuesday, flax and pumpkin. Wednesday, hemp and sesame. 2. Use in different meals. Breakfast: chia pudding or smoothie. Lunch: sprinkle seeds on soup or salad. Dinner: add to stir fries, grains, or yogurt. 3. Stay hydrated. Seeds with fiber, like chia or flax, need water to move through the gut. Dehydration can actually worsen nerve symptoms. Here's when to see a doctor. If tingling is sudden or severe, one-sided, accompanied by weakness or slurred speech, please don't ignore it. seek medical help. It could be a sign of a stroke or serious nerve damage. These seeds are amazing, but they're part of a bigger healing plan that includes movement, hydration, managing blood sugar, and listening to your body. Tingling doesn't have to be your new normal. Whether it's a sign of poor circulation, nerve inflammation, or early neuropathy, nature has given us a toolbox, and it starts with seeds. They're small, affordable, easy to add to meals, and packed with nutrients that soothe nerves, boost blood flow, and protect your aging body. So the next time your hands feel numb or your feet tingle, reach for nature's medicine. Because vibrant aging is possible, one bite at a time. Which seed will you try first? Comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health. And if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.